Hi Afika and Ain.
Hello.
Do you guys have done your assignments? Do you know we can calculate the volume of this glass?
I don't know.
Oh.
Mustapha, how can we calculate the volume?
And why do we need to calculate this thing?
Let's go deeply into geometry's world.
Geometry is a Greek word consists of geos, earth, and metron, measure, which means earth measuring. In ancient, the Egyptians, the Romans, and the Greeks used geometry in the world of architectural construction. It was used to solve most problems from building construction to astronomy. Euclid, the famous Greek mathematician and author of Euclid's Element, is the most influential geometer. Euclid's Element is a collection of elementary textbooks with definitions and basic geometry principles derived from 5 basic assumptions called axioms or postulates. The Greeks believed these axioms or postulates were so self-evident that they were true without proof.
Story of Menara to Mustapha. The Mustapha Tower is a class skyscraper in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia, and it is 122 meters tall with 30 floors. It was completed in 1976 and constructed by the Japanese company Mori Building. The building, named Yayasan Sabah Tower, it is the headquarters of the Sabah Foundation, Yayasan Sabah, the state-funded body that promotes education and economic advancement in Sabah. The tower was renamed in 2001 to commemorate Tun Datuk Mustapha, the former chief minister and government of the state. It has revolving platform on the 18 floors that rotates very slowly, giving a person view of Lake's Way in 360 degrees every hour. It has a concrete core and cylindrical layout plans. It was the first of its kind at that point, considering the fact that such a building could be constructed in a small kampung like Chesterton. The architecture for such a space negative, meaning space relative unequal. Architects and designers tend to scheme on using this form because without correct understanding of usage, it is most difficult to realize within such a powerful form. But MTM captures the essence of the shape well, and the result product was a beautiful cylindrical structure that was pushing boundaries of architecture at this time. Concrete floor slabs stretched at some distance away from the core of the building present an opportunity of engineering ingenuity. High tensile steel rods allow the long span of the radial flow, while the bi-steel bracket suspended from the core and holding into place. The building was setting standards in architecture of the then and continues to do so, in fact even decades after the
Story of glass. The very first glass known to Stone Age people, which was used for making weapons and decorative objects, was obsidian, black volcanic glass. The earliest known man-made glass are date back to around 3500 before Christ, with finds in Egypt and eastern Mesopotamia. Discovery of glass blowing around 1st century before Christ was major breakthrough in glass making. Invention of glass. Glass was first made in the ancient world, but little is known about men's first efforts to make glass. Amulet and solid beads were made in Mesopotamia as far back as 2500 before Christ. Later, glass making was further developed in Egypt around 1500 before Christ.
Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. In this part, I will explain to all of you about how to find the volume of this tower using the formula that have in geometry. Firstly, the formula to find the volume is pi r squared multiplied with the height. The diameter is 50.3 meters and the height is 122 meters. We need to find the radius. To find the radius, the diameter need to divide by 2 and the radius that we get is 25.15 meters. After we get all the values, we can substitute in the formula and the volume of this tower is 242,429.6208 meters. In this part, we are going to find the surface area of this tower. Tun Mustapha's tower is cylinder with 2 bases. The formula of 2 bases is lateral face area plus sum of base areas, which is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, and we can simplify the formula into 2 pi r multiplied with h plus r. After we substitute the values into the formula, the surface area of this building is 11,626.4768 meter cube.
We want to calculate the volume of ocean glass. Given height equal to 13.5 cm, diameter equal to 6.8 cm, and radius equal to 3.4 cm. The volume formula of the glass is pi r square h. Substitute the given information into the formula equal to pi bracket 3.4 square bracket 13.5 and equal to the volume of the ocean glass equal to 490.2769 centimeter cube. Calculate surface area of ocean glass. Given height equal to 13.5 cm, diameter equal to 6.8 cm, and radius equal to 3.4 cm. Glass is cylinder with 1 base. The formula surface area for a glass equal to lateral face area plus base area equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r square. Substitute the information given into the formula equal to 2 pi bracket 3.4 bracket 13.5 plus pi bracket 3.4 square equal to 459 over 5 pi plus 289 over 25 pi. So, the surface area of ocean glass equal to 324.7150 cm square. To conclude, geometry is the world of daily life. It is essential to know all the shapes and types of pattern used around us and apply mathematical formula, because all the things in our surroundings can be calculated. As a result of that, we can use the formula to solve humans' problem. That is how the things around the world can be built.